channel. So tomorrow is Monday and I'm supposed to start off like new diet, like I'm doing my person under the bridge, so everywhere's dark. I'm supposed to start a new diet tomorrow. As you can see, I've lost some weight, but I've not gotten to where I want. A lot of people are telling me that you've lost so much weight, you've lost weight, but my dresses are not fitting me. I have dresses that I wore before. Everywhere is so dark. Okay. I have dresses that I wore before that still not my size, so that's my target, is to fit into those dresses. It's just that my whole body is going to hear it because my bum is going to disappear, everything is going to disappear. My bum now has already started disappearing. Some people are not happy about it, but really I don't care because I really want to just get back to my size. But since I'm starting my diet tomorrow, me, I don't care. The bum will come back later. It's for people that care about the bum. So because I'm starting my whole diet tomorrow, I don't know when like someone said let them take me out for dinner, or maybe because I'm starting diet tomorrow and they know that I'm not going to chop anybody's money for a very long time. So for the first time in a very long time, people should not even think that. Babe, do you know how you're doing this road now? This my video is in guru. Like every gallop you see you enter, every portal you enter. As I was saying. So because I'm starting my diet, because I'm starting my diet tomorrow, I don't know if it's because I'm starting diet to shake and see. I don't know if because I'm starting my diet tomorrow that I say let them take me out for dinner that I have not smelled this year. Anyways, I will take it. I'll just take it like that. So we're going to Transcorp. I don't know if I went to Transcorp safe. Said that they do buffet there or whatever. I don't know how their food is going to look. I just pray I like it. So that's what we're going to now. Then from there we're going home. We just came from a wedding. It's just because we're coming from a wedding. I said, let me just take you since we're already out. Because bringing me out, it's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy to bring me out. So now that I'm out, he just wants to take advantage of everything. I said, let's go. Let us go. Let us go for dinner. So I see he's giving me something nice. Like, anyways, see the whole my video is just shaking. People watching this thing now, their head will they'll be following my face like this. And I'll show you guys. Let's go. I don't like going out. If it's worth it, I'll let you guys. What time do you want to go out? Babe, you have not taken me out since throughout this year. We have not done nothing. I beg you. After this one now, maybe next time you see me, say my husband took me out to be next year. So people should be happy for me, at least I'm going out.
Well, let's go out. It's a problem.
It's not a problem. First of all,
you have to pick a particular time, a particular way you dress.
Every time he keeps telling me, let's go for wedding. Please let me ask you for something. Someone that does not have clothes, can the person go for wedding? Me, I have joggers and polo. I have
someone that does not have clothes.
I have boo-boo. And I have clothes for wedding, but they're not sizing me. And I have not sold new clothes for my new size because I want to still get back to my old size. So why should I be going for weddings when nothing? Will I wear trousers and this in joggers and polo for wedding? Anyways, please, when we get there, I'll show you. So you guys, we're here now, but we came early. They said dinner starts at 6:30 and we're here by 6:17. So they said we should stay outside and wait till 6:30. You can't even stay inside, so you have to stay outside. This is for someone that did not plan occasion. They just decided to just wake me up and say, oh, let us go for dinner. That's what causes it. So now we're outside waiting for our 6:30. Now we're just looking like hungry people that came too early to eat. It's not even as if I'm hungry. I don't even care. I'm not even that hungry. Babe. Yeah? So you brought me out for dinner and pressing phone. You're looking at Man City winning cup. You're looking at Man City winning cup.
You're making your video now.
So your problem now is Man City winning cup.
You're making your video.
Yeah? Whining about Man U losing 3 in a row. No, Man City has won 4 in a row.
No, I'm not whining because I know Man U didn't do well this season.
Man U will not do well next season too. So let's just forget it.
You can't say.
Up Man U.
You can't say if things change.
Up Man U.
Yes, up Man U.
So this is the first thing I'm eating. That is that young man's first food. I don't even know how people eat all these things. I don't want to eat plenty food because I still want to have space for rice. So this is my second food. It doesn't even look good. I think, honestly speaking, I think I'm one person that doesn't believe in buffet. Because now they don't have more things that I like, but I still have to go and find something I eat. This is this plantain and peppered beef and then ofada rice and fish stew. The ofada sauce did not look good. It looked somehow. It didn't look good, so I'm going to take. That's why I took the fish stew because the ofada stew is not looking nice at all. I'm not even a big fan of ofada rice. The actually stew that's looking like something I don't know. So I think I'll enjoy this one. So what this man brought?
Yes.
What's that?
Ofada with fish stew, mushroom, corn, plantain, and beetroot.
You're weird. You're very weird. I can't eat that. Nothing. You can't pay me enough. Enjoy.
It looks nice.
Doesn't look nice. What was this again?
Broccoli, tomato. Maybe they say tomato is good for prostate.
It's going to go straight. See.
Fish, salad.
I don't know.
What do they call it again? Olive, yeah.
Olive. Ew. See my own last food. This is the dessert. Hubby?
Sushi.
Yeah. Sushi. Where is your sushi? Ew. As don't look. Hi, Neso. Hi, Neso. Hi. So you guys see this thing she's using. I bought it used. I bought it used. Nelo came and I told me that Neso does not deserve used. Nelo bought me a new one. So now that Neso is standing, I want to keep one upstairs and one downstairs. So Nelo, see, my used is still working. So now I want to open the new one. So I'll keep this one here and take this other one downstairs. Neso, say hi. You will help me tell Neso to walk. Oh, Neso is standing up, but Neso does not want to walk. Nene, say hi. This one has not opened yet, though. Neso. Let me see if she's going to do it for me. Neso, wait, Neso, wait first. By the way, you guys, Neso does not crawl on the tiles. Once she's after this place, she'll stop moving. That place is too cold for her. Ajebo baby. Neso, well, let me open it now. Nene. Now stand. Neso, say hi. Let's go. Neso, say hi. That one is old now. She's the new one she wants. Hi, Neso. Wait first. Are you tearing it with me? See this girl. Neso. Hey. Neso, you like your new toy? Neso? Neso! This girl. I'll take this thing from you. Man. Look at you. Yeah, tiny joggers. Neso, clap, clap. Clap, clap. What is that? Sit down and do what I told you to do, Joe. Yeah. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Yes, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, and you really want to show. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Neso, clap your hands. Good job. Neso, clap, clap. Yay. Neso, clap, clap. Yay. Say hi, mommy. Say hi, mommy. Hi, mama. Say cheese. Where should you put what? Why are you smiling? Because there's video in front of camera in front of you. See the 2 prisoners they sent to my house. And she goes, no, if you all know that people have been respecting yourselves in this house. Your auntie trained you well. You be say thank you, auntie. Thank you. Love you. Uche wants to make fried rice for us today. The other day you both didn't even make stew. Very sweet though. This one did mama for us today. She goes, was your mama sweet?
Yeah, I didn't know.
Yeah. See, I didn't know. They cook a baby. The mama was actually very, very yummy. Ada, when are you going to do your first? He's not talking about cheese balls. When are you going to do your first? What are you going to do for me?
What do you want?
What do I want? I'll think about it. So we just came back. Want to make fried rice. Uche wants to make fried rice for us. She wasn't made my money this morning. Nelo dropped them here. Nelo abandoned them here and went to London to enjoy. Let me tell you something. There's nothing in London. There's nothing in London. London is not fun. London is not interesting. Like, I don't even care about London. I don't even want to go to London. Like, I don't even think she's enjoying the way I'm enjoying here because I'm eating beef and she said she's going to pay a lot for whatever thing I'm eating because there's not food in London. So, if you think I'm jealous of your trip, well, I'm not. I don't even care. I don't even want to go to London. What is in London? So, anyways, she dumped her people here. Now I had to take care of them and all that. So just go and come back and come and carry your people, Biko. Nonsense. I better buy something from down London you went to because it's not like London is even fine. I don't care. I just admire myself. It might just they look me. I be person wife, it might they look me. Let me show them the person looking at me. Until you hit yourself. Why won't I video you? I say why are you videoing me? You don't want me to video you? Eh? You don't want me to video you? You want to hit Neso? See, even if it's accident, I will beat you. Move away, Joe. Hi, Neso. Look at your cute smile. Neso! 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 So, we're going back to Port Harcourt. We're going back to Port Harcourt. People did hair. Do you have man in Port Harcourt that you want to do hair for? You have a man in Port Harcourt you want to do guy for? Aww. Ha! You want to see this video? You better unsay what you just said. Just say auntie, thank you.
Thank you. Love you so much.
Aww.
So
Of course, you people.
was like.
You people pampered Neso.
We were in London too.
No.
Seriously. Our London.
You people pampered us too.
Yes, we have a lot of.
We'll miss your mama. We'll miss your own cooking too. We'll miss your rice and stew.
Oh, Nene.
Your mama is still remaining in the fridge now. So, hey, see me look like one man in front of you people. Hey, people, let's say bye. 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 Hey, Nneka, Jesus. See my front hair. You don't finish. Have you finished packing?
Yeah, we're done.
Right now.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
We'll see you soon.
And you're going to miss Nene. It's all our holiday.
I wish all the days. You should not come again, please.
I know you're going to come. I'm going to come with there.
Come with Kobe if you're coming. Kobe and Adana. Have you said bye-bye?
No.
Huh? Nikki Siaga. Why must you walk like this?
Oh, my bestie.
Which bestie? See, she.
Come and help me. My bestie, come. You're pushing me away. Let me just solve.
See, Mercy. See how big Mercy is now. She has lost weight though. When the Mercy came to my house first. See, Mercy, remember that your first video? When the Mercy came to this house first, there's one video that I posted. Somebody saw her at the background. They said I'm doing child abuse. Because Mercy was so skinny. So skinny and looking like one mele girl. Now look at her. She's not looking like the madam in the house. It's not me that's looking like this thing. What's it called again, Seth? The baby. Mercy is not like my madam. Very soon, Mercy will be way more than me. Although she has started dieting. Abi? Diet. See her. You're looking good now. You've lost weight though. So today is Children's Day. We just came back from water park. See who is back here. Uche, say hi. What happened to you?
Who came back? Our flight was cancelled.
Your flight was cancelled. You missed water park. You missed Port Harcourt. See them in the Port Harcourt. In the Chinese Port Harcourt. How do you look in the airport? How foolish were people looking there waiting?
Let me tell you the story. When I went to collect some tickets, like phone that we gave me, I come out from
Bibi no.
the same place.
Hey.
It was the other side. I turned around.
How did you enjoy yourself?
Yes.
We had fun. You guys, I just received my package, and I told you people now, when I order something and I like it, I'll go for more. She got new designs, and since this is what I'm into now, I followed her and I bought all of them. Look majestic. So these ones are more like Ankara designs. If you go to her page, you will see it. So these are the ones I just got. I just saw this color and I loved it, and I love this detail here. Can't wait to wear it. This one is all like mixed. And look at this one. Oh, I don't know, this one is my favorite self. And then see the final one there. So this is what I'm into right now. I'm boo-booing. So that's what I'm doing now. And because you know I don't miss Sunday service. Like I go to church every Sunday, so I always want to be prepared. All this number is always for church. It's just for church. I'm always wearing people to church. So that's what I've gotten now. Now let me show you people my package. I just came back from London. I didn't go to London, but I have things from London. It's not like I ever want to go to London. So this is my package from London. Nelo came back with it. I can't wait to open it. I'm going to find a lot of things inside. Nelo is the sweetest human being in this whole world. Nelo baby, thank you so much for my box. See, I can't wait to unpack it. See, you're the sweetest human being in this whole world. You're so sweet, you know, the girl after my heart. Oh, thank you so much. Okay. You guys see what we saw in our house. Plenty. So now this young girl here, Marvelous, say hi.
Hi.
She wants to eat it. Say she's going to fry it and she's going to eat it. Eh? It's not only you. Okay, even Masi wants to eat. So this is it. Can I have it? Do you know what this is? This is chinge ako in Igbo land. I think we call it chinge by Kedi. Is this still plenty there? So let me show you guys where we saw it from. Where we picked it up from. It's a Masi that is doing the whole picking with Marvelous. Let me show you. See plenty. Where is it?
See, come this side. I finished.
Marvelous has finished packing. Look, people see. Can you see? Plenty. It's even see plenty. Let me see.
That's some. That's some that is in here.
See. Let me zoom it. Can you see? Plenty. There's a light here. Okay, see the lights. See the lights. So we're going to fry it. I'm not going to fry it. Marvelous is going to fry it, and then I'll come back and show you guys how it looks after. I can't eat that. I used to eat it before, but now me eating it means I'm eating shit. Like I used to eat it before when we were in KD. I used to eat it plenty. We will pack it and fry and eat, but now I can't. I can't because I know there's shit inside. I can't. People, they are finished frying. They said they're going to fry more. I think it's still going to be dry.
It has not dried.
It has not really dried. Can you see? Hey, they have to remove all the feathers and then fry it the final time. Hey! Fear! Fear!
It's very young.
See this one.
It's fine.
This is, let me see. Hi! You see?
Hey, so the white cookie.
Oh!
Like there and she ate it.
Oh God! I can't though.
Tomorrow night is that good.
I can't continue fine. Let me see the final look. They're trying to remove the back. So after frying, you remove the wings. Yes. So you put it inside in your now. Yeah. Hey! My God, big man, may we see. Catch it.
Wow.
I don't say wow.
Like crayfish.
You people see the birds. They came to eat apple. See, they came to eat. Can you see them? They came to eat. Our house is now house of house of birds. House of birds and insects. Can you see them? Plenty. See them plenty. They came to eat apple. They finished. They're hungry again now. They're back. See. See. Yeah, I wanted visitors. Jesus. Hey. See them on the trees. Look at the tree. Look at my tree. All because of uncle. They're eating my flower. Oh. Yeah, see how clean. Madam, give this one at your work. Oh.
I've removed the
Chidima, do you want to eat?
Take it in your hand.
Take and eat. Eat now.
Chew.
Do you like it? Auntie, do you like it? Eat more now. Pack more. Pack and eat. Yeah.
You want to go and feed the bed?
Yeah, don't feed bed though.
This one is for human beings, not for bread.
Let's go give you.
I like it.
Eat.
Does it taste
You
like?
like the thing, but you know.
Eat now.
It's like grasshopper.
Eat now.
It's good now.
This it now. Don't you like it? You don't like it?
Ajibo, see.
The way where the mother they do face now, you going
Chidima is okay, Biko. Eat your own.
It's like that grasshopper, baby. Oh my God, Jesus! Baby, it's okay. It's okay. Auntie, she's eating food. Baby's enjoying it too.
Do you like it? Do you like it? It's okay, give me back. Thank you. It's okay. Don't eat again. Auntie, what is wrong with you? You like it? Go.